What's up, guys? We just finished up the DD15 that had the pinging noise, and these are the injectors. You can't really see it good. The video doesn't do any justice. Right about right there at the body of the injector, kind of like right here down there. The injector had a crack. Usually when these have a crack, they throw compression back to the return line, causing that pinging noise. So we put a new 6-pack on it, new injectors, and we turned it on and the noise went away. I'll turn the cruise control on for you guys so you guys can see at 900 RPM. As you guys can see, the noise went away. There's no more pinging noise. So yeah, the fix was the injectors. Like I had mentioned, the injectors, one of the injectors had a crack on the tip right there, which was pretty much throwing back compression to the return line, and which was causing the fuel aerated. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the next one. Thank you guys.